Hi viewers, here I am giving some important questions for TSGENCO civil engineering aspirants. I am explaining 10 questions only here. So first question is, combustible elements in the fuel are options A. Carbon and hydrogen, B. Carbon, hydrogen and sulfur, C. Carbon, hydrogen and ash, D. Carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. Here the have to know the combustible elements. So here the substance that burns in the presence of oxygen and heat are called combustible substances. Whereas that do not burn are that's called as non-combustible substances. Next second question is, pipes carrying steam are generally made up of options A. Steel, B. Cast iron, C. Aluminum, D. Copper. The answer is steel. A. Steel. Third question. The proper indication of incomplete combustion is options A. High CO content in flue gases at exit, B. High CO2 content in flue gases at exit, C. High temperature of flue gases, D. The smoking exhaust from chimney. Here we have to know the incomplete combustion. It can result in the production of carbon monoxide CO instead of carbon dioxide CO2. Therefore, a high concentration of CO in flue gases is a clear indication of incomplete combustion. And then have to know the complete combustion also. The complete combustion typically produces carbon dioxide, but under insufficient oxygen conditions carbon monoxide is formed. The next question is question number 4. The commercial sources of energy are A. Solar, wind and biomass, B. Fossil fuels, hydropower and nuclear energy, C. Wood, animal waste and agriculture waste, D. Wave and tidal. Here the answer is B. Fossil fuels, hydropower and nuclear energy. Here the commercial sources of energy includes the fossil fuels like coal, oil and natural gases, hydropower from dams and nuclear energy from nuclear power plants. Yes, next fifth question is, in a thermal power plant, economizer is used to heat options A. Air, B. Flue gases, C. Coal, D. Feed water. Here in a thermal power plant, an economizer is used to heat the feed water before it enters the boiler only. It is used to heat the feed water before it enters the boiler. Its primary purpose is to improve the overall efficiency of thermal power plant by preheating the water, and that it will be fed into the boiler. Next, sixth question is, the steam power plant efficiency can be improved by options A. Using large quantity of water, B. Burning large quantity of coal, C. Using high pressure and high temperature steam, D. Decreasing the load on the plant. Here the answer is C. Using high pressure and high temperature steam. Here we have to know The efficiency of a steam power plant can be improved through various measures and advancements of technologies. Those are high steam temperatures and pressures and reheat and regeneration of the power. Next, seventh question is, compared to turbines in the conventional coal-fired thermal stations, nuclear power plant turbines use steam at options: A. Lower pressure and temperature, B. Higher pressure and temperature, C. Lower pressure and high temperatures, D. Higher pressure and lower temperature. Here the answer is lower pressure and temperature. Next, eighth question. The modern steam turbines are options: impulse turbines, reaction turbines, C. Impulse reaction turbines, D. None of the above. Here the answer is C. Impulse reaction turbines. Here the modern steam turbines can be categorized as impulse reaction turbines. In this, these turbines combine elements of both impulse and reaction designs to optimize efficiency and performance. In an impulse reaction turbine, steam first expands through a set of stationary nozzles. That is the first stage. That means that call it as impulse stage, and then continues to expand through moving blades. That we call it as second stage, that is reaction stage. Yes. The ninth question is, pulverized fuel is used for options: higher boiler efficiency, B. easy and complete combustion, and C. low air requirements, and D. all of the above. Answer is low. Here there is an increased rate of evaporation and higher boiler efficiency due to the complete combustion of fuel. So these lowers the air requirements to release the ash in the air. Next, the last question, 10th question is, the selection of the type and size of a steam boiler depends upon options: A. Fuel and water availability, B. The power requirement and working pressure, C. Geographical position of powerhouse, D. all of the above. Here the answer is B. Power required and working pressure. So these 10 important questions, these useful to for your exam. I will explain more questions in my next video. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel.